This is not the ring what I'll do in this video. In this video I'll do this ring. Hello folks, Corey here. How can you see our workshop is open but not with public, so everything is closed here. Here I have some metal, same white gold what I use always, which don't need rhodium. I have this Topaz, London blue color. Let's prepare everything for here. Let's do it. I have the ingot, and with the rolling mill I will make my part. It's not obligatory. Let's see. Simple prayer. Let's weld this ring. This is solder paste. It's the same metal, 18 karat white gold. 100° less is the temperature to melt. My piglet powder. Citric acid. Nothing has happened. Or yes. And this is the ring. Minutes and my ring will be perfect ring. This is not the ring what I'll do in this video. I recorded, I made it, and when everything was finished, no sound. I forget to start the microphone, so no video. It's happened. Okay, no problem. Start the game, make another ring. Let's do the ring I need to mount under the stone. Oval ring. Let's weld a little. A small ring. To make a good oval, I need first a perfect circle. Okay. This is the piece what I need for the shoulders. I'll go to the laser to fix provisional. In laser, I added solder paste all around. Okay, it's not welded. I just added solder paste. So, in this moment, I can go to weld in vertical. It's not a problem. This position is good to have access wherever. I heat it for everything. 20 minutes and pickle powder. What? And citric acid. Let's take a little break. It is welded. Let's do the wire. Let's do the wire for the prongs. Take a look. Prongs will be 110. 1 millimeter 10. Ready. Here it is. This is for the prongs. So, I start to make another one. This one. Nice, yes. But the camera was in slow motion and in slow motion. The same. I made the ring, everything nice. We start to edit the video. And with the third one, I have sound. I check it. I double check it. See you next time.